All right, y'all, we're gonna make some hillbilly hash brown casserole. I'm gonna start with 32 ounces of shredded hash browns, and then we're gonna dump 2 pounds of ground beef up in there. If I can get it out of this finicky bowl here. You wanna drain the meat as best you can, but a little grease never hurt nobody. All right, so we got our 2 pounds of ground beef in there. Moving right along, we got about half a diced yellow onion. It's gonna go in here. Okay. And then we're gonna take 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup and just dump it in there. If I can get them out of here. The laws of physics are fighting against me. Here we go. Get that out of there. And we want to scrape them out. Just like they taught me in the Appalachians. Nice and thorough. We don't like wasting. All right. Now, once you have all that, give it a good mix. Okay, before you have it fully mixed, we're gonna put a little bit of garlic salt. I already seasoned the meat, but I wanna put a little extra seasoning into the full mixture here. And then we're gonna throw a little pepper in there. We're gonna mix it a little bit more before we add one final ingredient. All right, once you mix that up a little bit, we're gonna add half of this cheese. So it's about a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. I grated it myself. This ain't from the bag, no cardboard. Get that nice and mixed in there. And once we have the cheese mixed in there a little bit, one final little step. 1 cup of milk. Need to get a little creamy. It's feeling a little dry. There we go, now we're talking. All right, we got that nice and mixed up. So we're gonna take our 13 by 9 baking dish and we're gonna throw the mixture in there. Get it all out. All righty. So let's go ahead and smooth this so it's nice and even. I cannot wait to have some of this. We have that nice and evenly spread on there. We got the oven preheated to 350. We're gonna throw it in there for 45 minutes to an hour. So we want to check in about 45 minutes to an hour. Should be about ready. We got one more step though. All right, y'all, let's check out this hillbilly hash brown casserole. Ooh, baby. Man, oh man. All right, y'all, before it's done, we got one final step we gotta do. We're gonna take that cheese that we had left over, put it over the top. You never have too much cheese, right? Just go ahead and get the rest of it over the top there. So we're gonna put it in there for 5 more minutes, get it nice and melted, and we'll come back and be ready to try. Oh yeah. Ooh, you smell that, Rain? Mm-hmm. That smells good. Yeah, get a nice look at that. All right, y'all, this is one I think I gotta serve up while it's hot. So I'm gonna go right here. Look at that. Steaming, baby. Rain's hungry, y'all. All right, let's give this thing a try. I like trying it hot like my buddy Charles. Shout out Charles, Parks, and Kim. Miss you guys. I think we're ready. Man, y'all. That makes me want to load up the truck and move to Beverly Hills. If you know what I mean. Y'all gotta try it.